现代有真侪人介意扮做漫画，也是电影的角色，也就是人讲的 cosplay。虽然因为疫情、通货膨胀等等的因素，致使真侪装扮的材料拢变甲真贵，不过大家也是真爱耍 cosplay。伫咧英国伦敦的 cosplay 活动，就吸引真侪 coser 去参加。
伦敦的 cosplay 店内真侪人，其中萨尔达团队真受欢迎。不过，安尼装扮无俗，伊牵涉买布料、打扮、车布料等等，甚至是利用3D 列印机来做衫。
It's only expensive if you make it expensive. You can keep things very low budget. You can keep things very, very cheap. You don't have to make things expensive. I sometimes do, but that's because I'm OCD and I like the highest of details.
装扮愈有路，所开钱就愈悬。伫现场的人拢表示，因为新冠肺炎、防控佮加上战争，我不了起价，和 cosplay 加做一种真贵的消遣。
It is an expensive hobby, but then I compare it to having a Premiership football ticket, season ticket, or a nice set of golf clubs, or a good fishing kit, or whatever. So along those lines, it can be expensive, but not that bad.
cosplay 店店员另外一个真受欢迎的角色是原神的古龙。 扮演这角色的詹姆斯讲，伊伫服装店员开将近$500，超过15000台票。上贵的部分是耳仔甲尾，因用透过手机啊店员的 app 来控制。
For Genshin, because I was a buyer, Genshin tends to be quite complicated, so they tend to be quite expensive. Of course, I've got the animatronics as well, which didn't come cheap. But you can really start with any sort of budget. If you've got a sewing machine, if you've got sort of like the basic steps, you can go, or you can even closet cosplay, and that's a great place to start for a lot of cosplayers.
真介意 cosplay 的人完全无因为制作成本欠悬就受影响。格罗佛是这摆展览上经验的 cosplay 设计师之一。伫附散的部分，伊建议第一摆接触的人，无的确会伫家己的后车厢至手商店发现英雄的配件，不过买好的优质的布料，用互衫看起来更较有路。公司新闻新锐培编译。